Hi! In front of me is TCL TabMax, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock and tap on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on. Then click on this plus icon and set up an hour. Following that, click on label and label your alarm however you wish to. Then click on OK. Now tap on this switcher next to repeat if you want your alarm to repeat and set up days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on default and tap on one of those melodies to pick the best one for you. Or choose Add New and select music from your device by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner, clicking on one of those sources, tapping on the song and going back. Finally, save your alarm by choosing this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it. Then click on Delete over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!